So for any apprentices or anybody who's interested in how to make off the final connections on an outdoor unit, let me show you how. And of course you should be F-gas qualified to be able to buy the systems and install them. So we need a Phillips screwdriver to take off the side cover, do the wiring connections with the snips. We need the set of pipe cutters to cut the pipe to length, and then we can deburr it with our deburring tool. Then we need the flare block to make off the flare connections. And once they're ready to go, a couple of spanners to do them up. Firstly, let's take off the side cover. And then we have the two pipe connections. This is a 2 kilowatt system, 3 kilowatt heating, so it's only 3/8 and quarter copper. And then we can take off the electrical cover. And that will uncover the connections for the 4-core interconnect cable to inside, which we've already run in. And then we've got the other connections, live, neutral and earth, for power supply. What I always do is connect the bigger pipe first, and then I do the smaller one. And then we can do the wiring. Firstly, cut your pipe butt to the correct length. Once you've cut the pipe butt, we use the deburring tool to take off the rough edge inside the copper tube. Once we cut it, we can put the flare nut on this way, because obviously this is going to go onto the thread. It goes onto the copper pipe like this, and then we basically clamp on the flaring block, and then we turn this one to make our flare just inside there. And what we should be left with is something like this, and the flare nut goes right over the top. And this can go straight onto the pipe connection, and we can tighten that up with our spanners. Basically repeat the process with the 1/4 inch. Once you've got the two pipes connected, we can do the interconnecting cable, basically 1, 2, 3 and earth. And this is the way that I connect the 4-core. I use brown, grey and black, 1, 2 and 3, and earth on the earth. Now I'm just going to put a bit of H07 cable in for the power supply, which will come outside the unit, ready for the electricians to put in the power. Now I've connected my H07 cable that's going to go to the outdoor rotary isolator into live, neutral and earth. And once it's all finished, put the lid back on, and we got our H07 cable ready for an outdoor power supply. That's it, job done. And that's how you do it. Another installation by BSB Air Conditioning.